Welcome to our channel. Are you interested in starting an online store, but don't know where to begin? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up an online store with Shopify, step by step. First, let's talk about why Shopify is an amazing platform for e-commerce. With Shopify, you can create a professional-looking online store without any coding or design experience. Plus, Shopify offers a wide range of customizable templates and integrations with third-party apps. Now, let's get started with setting up your Shopify store. The first step is to sign up for a Shopify account. You can do this by going to link unavailable and clicking on the Get Started button. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to your Shopify dashboard. From here, you can start setting up your store by adding a theme, customizing your settings, and adding products. Let's start with adding a theme. Shopify offers a wide range of free and paid themes that you can use to customize the look and feel of your store. To add a theme, click on the Online Store tab and then click on Themes. Once you've selected a theme, you can start customizing your settings. This includes adding your business information, setting up payment and shipping options, and configuring your tax settings. Now, let's talk about adding products. To add a product, click on the Products tab and then click on Add Product. From here, you can enter your product details, including the product title, description, price, and images. Once you've added your products, you can start setting up your payment and shipping options. Shopify offers a wide range of payment gateways, including PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard. To set up your payment options, click on the Settings tab and then click on Payments. From here, you can select your payment gateway and configure your payment settings. Now, let's talk about shipping. Shopify offers a wide range of shipping options, including USPS, UPS, and FedEx. To set up your shipping options, click on the Settings tab and then click on Shipping. From here, you can select your shipping carrier and configure your shipping settings. Finally, let's talk about launching your store. Once you've set up your store and added your products, you're ready to launch. To launch your store, click on the Launch button in the top right corner of your dashboard. This will make your store live and available to the public. That's it. With these steps, you can set up a professional-looking online store with Shopify. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to ask. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.